Ever looked at your phone, scrolled through endless stock charts, and wondered, man, when did this whole investing from your pocket thing even start? I mean, we're talking about platforms that let you buy fractions of shares, build portfolios with a few taps, and even invest in things you actually care about. It feels like it's always been here, right? But it hasn't. It's a relatively new phenomenon, and today, we're diving into the timeline of one of those players, Spaceship. Think about it. Not too long ago, investing was this intimidating world of suits, jargon, and hefty minimums. Now, you've got apps that are making it accessible to, well, everyone. And Spaceship is a prime example of that shift. But where did it come from? When did it launch its mission to democratize investing? Before we get to the specifics, let's set the stage. The rise of fintech, or financial technology, really kicked into high gear in the 2010s. We saw the explosion of smartphones, faster internet, and a growing demand for simpler, more transparent financial services. Traditional financial institutions were slow to adapt, leaving a gap for startups to fill. And that's exactly what Spaceship aimed to do. Now, Spaceship's story is intertwined with the broader Australian superannuation and investment landscape. Superannuation, for those unfamiliar, is Australia's mandatory retirement savings system. It's a huge pool of capital, and Spaceship saw an opportunity to manage those funds in a way that resonated with a younger, tech-savvy generation. So, when did this vision become a reality? Spaceship officially launched in 2017. Yes, 2017. That's relatively recent, right? In the grand scheme of investing history, it's practically yesterday. But in those few years, they've made a significant impact. They started with a focus on a simple, mobile-first experience, offering investment portfolios that aligned with the interests of their target audience. Think tech companies, healthcare innovation, and other forward-thinking sectors. This resonated with millennials and Gen Z, who were looking for investment options that reflected their values and beliefs. One of the key things that sets Spaceship apart is its emphasis on transparency. They've been very vocal about their investment philosophy and their fee structure, which has helped build trust with their users. They've also focused on education, providing resources and tools to help new investors understand the basics of investing. Of course, like any startup, Spaceship has faced its challenges. They've had to navigate the complexities of financial regulations, compete with established players, and adapt to changing market conditions. But they've managed to carve out a niche for themselves, becoming a popular choice for young Australians looking to grow their wealth. It's important to remember that Spaceship is part of a larger trend. We're seeing a fundamental shift in how people invest, and technology is playing a huge role in that transformation. Platforms like Spaceship are making investing more accessible, affordable, and engaging, which is ultimately a good thing for everyone. So, next time you're checking your portfolio on your phone, remember that this convenience and accessibility is a relatively new development. And Spaceship, launching in 2017, played a crucial role in bringing that reality to many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.